Welcome to Kids Doodle! Hello everyone! Today we're turning leaves into a fierce lion with just a few easy steps. Grab your paints and leaves and let's create some wild nature-inspired art together. This is super fun and easy. Come join me and let's make something fun! We did it! Here is our leaf print lion. Hope you had fun creating this art with us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. See you in the next video. Bye!